So I've done a good bit of instructing this week. Today I'm turning you loose. Page 679 has 11 problems, and some of them have the pieces beginning the same size. Others you will have to work to get common denominators. You will have to add whole numbers. You will have to add fractions. And then you will have to look at the result of adding the fraction and decide if there's anything you need to do to simplify it. When you have your final answer, it needs to be circled so that it is easy to see. Now, one thing I suggest, if you are tending to make a lot of mistakes on this, the papers in these math books do not erase easily. Very often you can erase a hole into the paper. So I suggest you get a sticky note or a small scrap piece of paper and do each problem on its own small piece of paper. It will take a number of photographs to show me your answers then, but I do want to see these answers. So if you do each problem on its own smaller piece of paper, make sure that the numbers are very easy to see and that your final answers are easy to find, but also make sure that I can follow every step of the problem. So in the jotter this week, as we've been working, I have shown how I got common denominators. I've shown how I got to the final answer. If I needed to simplify, I showed that step. So that's what I am looking for your problems on 679. Now, this is still so new that I want to make sure that you are not thinking you're doing it right, but actually doing it wrong. So I am going to show you what the final answers should be. Your final answers should come out to this. This is the teacher's manual. So this is what your answers should come out to be. By showing me all the work, there are so many steps involved in this. By showing me all of the work, that is how I will know you understand the process, and that is how you will earn your credit. So 679, make sure you get the correct answers. Make sure I can easily read each problem as you send it to me. Hopefully it's kind of fun to get turned loose now. Happy Friday!